Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's tutorial, I will guide you how you can fix the Instagram login code problem. For that, you'll need to follow the simple and easy ways. If you haven't subscribed my channel, then subscribe it for more tutorial videos. And if you like this video, then hit the like button of the video. So let's jump right in. For that, just go to the Instagram and just long press into the Instagram app, and then you'll see the app info option. Just tap into it and then you'll be guided to this page where you'll need to tap on storage uses and then clear all the data and cache. Once you have done this step, then just go back from the top left icon, arrow like icon, and then you need to allow all the permissions of this app. Go to the Play Store and see whether you have any updates of the Instagram app. So if you see the update option here, then you should update your Instagram app. Just tap on update and your app will be updated. Following this step, if you see whether your login code problem has been solved or not, if it isn't solved yet, then just restart your phone again and your problem will be fixed. Or else you can comment down on this comment section easily and freely and ask any query if you have further. So thank you guys.